In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of removing your Roblox email from either your Android or iPhone's Roblox app in less than a minute. To begin, open the Roblox app and tap on the More option. From there, scroll down and select Settings, followed by Account Info. You will see your email address displayed on this page. While there is an Edit button available, it only allows you to change your email address, not remove it. To actually remove your email, we need to lower your account's age to 9 or less. If you are comfortable with this change, please proceed to change your age to a date that makes you 9 years old or younger. Please note that this setting is permanent, so tap on Yes to confirm. A verification code will be sent to your email, which you will need to enter in the provided field. Once you have entered the code, your age will be changed, and your account will no longer be linked to the email address. At this point, you can choose to add a parent's email or leave the account without an email linked to it. This concludes the simple process of unlinking and removing an email address from a Roblox account.